Всем привет! Сегодняшнее наше видео будет про этот сайт, про данный сайт. И я расскажу сегодня вам, как же мы его делаем. Итак, какие же сперва функции у нас есть в этом сайте. Здесь у нас добавляется каунтер. Далее у нас меняются фотки в данном HTML. Затем здесь у нас карта добавляется с помощью Add to Cart. Получается, здесь меняется и количество, и прайс. Также убирается. Итак, давайте разделим это видео на частички. И в данном видео я буду показывать, как я буду делать HTML. Наверное, тоже CSS, если не будет долго, конечно. Так как, если будет долго, то у нас будет видео загружаться очень долго. Так. Давайте увидим вот этот наш сайт. Вот так вот должен выглядеть наш сайт. Это mobile version. Заблокируем все вместе. Вот. И мы начинаем с хедера. У нас открывается. Сперва давайте разделим. Как мы видим, эта вот часть, она стоит отдельно, и эта часть стоит отдельно. Получается, мы должны открыть общую дивку, после которого мы откроем image и отдельно дивку, либо navbar. После которого мы откроем дальше следующую дивку. So, let's continue in English. Let's create a div that called head left. Don't pay attention to the background side. So next step that we should do, we are adding this part of images. This is our card image. Then we are adding image cover. Let's here do the class. Then it's gonna help us. Then let's style it. We should give style by default padding 0 and margin 0, box sizing, vertical box. Let's do body, split flex, direction, column. It's gonna be next step is header, split flex. You can see here that this object is too big, so let's give a width for it. I think it's okay. So let's move on to the head left. Center. Like between this one is big one div, and inside of this div we have an image and another div that's called nav, but actually it's not div, it's a bar. So here I also give a gap between navs. So next header, we should give here specify content. Yes. Then let's move on to head right, display flex, line and center. So as you can see here is it shows and it stands in one line, in one straight line. Let's give a gap also here, 20 pixels I think, to yeah, it's going to be very suitable. So let's give heading 20 pixels approximately. After header, let's do HR, it's a line, as you know. So here, we have kind of, here we're gonna add fold family, by fold. Let's give opacity 9%, and by hovering it, we should give opacity also 60%. So here, now let's give opacity for images. Here, you can see hovering. Then what we should do, let's move on to the main part. Let's call it as main. And we should divide the main body into the two columns. And then let's do it. First main, let's do main right, main left, and main left. In main left have pictures, only pictures. Image source, images. First one. And then we should open one div for 4 pictures. That's main left 4. Windows 4 is our 4 images. Their shoe stands. Images 1, image 2, image 2. So here we have an image. We have finished with main part left. Let's pay attention to the minutes. Here we have paragraph. Then we have each one. Then we have all parts of B again. After B we have, there is like, as you can see here, one sum and discount. Then below the sum we have like previous price of the shoes. So I think we're gonna do like the price with discount and discount percent together in one div, and then the next previous price we should write alone. I think that would look more suitable. So let's open the div with price. Let's do it with wash page 3. It's gonna be the shoes price. Then let's do it as a button. No. Let's do it as a B. So let's style it over here. Background color black. Color white. 30 pixels. Width pixels. And white. Border. Here we have 50% discount. Also border none. And border radius, I think it's gonna be look perfect if we add 7 pixels for border radius. And then what we should do after this price. What is this? After this div we should do the previous price for it. So here we have it, and let's remove it. After this divs we have got div as a buttons, so let's do it like copy. And first button we have image as a minus, then we have p as a number. No, but here by default gonna be 0 because this number we're gonna change it into, while we are like pressing to the plus, the number will change into 1. When it's into a minus, it's gonna be not adding, like obviously removing 1. So as you can see here we have got kind of a button. In the second button we have also image as a cart. Then we have a word at the cart. So let's give display already. Distribution. Yes. Then let's give line center. Then let's give a width. Approximately 20 to 200 pixels. And just have contents basically. Also let's give a padding as assistant for this button. Let's give us it as a at here for minus we should give a class as minus because we should identify in this button at which button we're pressing. At which button we're pressing. This class. So let's start the main body. Main part. Let's give it display width. This is gonna look like more suitable. Now we have content here, and we should give justify content. What if we do as a and then give justify content blue lines. Here first let's give a width for this main picture because it's 300 pixels. And first let's give padding for this. Padding 30 pixels. I think it looks like more beautiful. Let's style the mini photos. samples. Then style from here, text transform, case, color blue. Here I think we should go for family. Family, we should begin. Then price. Then go next center to make it more to put that in a line, in one line. They have enough for style, but I think that's okay. Then let's make it 790. No, too much. Center. No. Line center. Yeah. I'm gonna change font size to text pixels. Too much. 12 pixels. And here. Then for price, given the space between these prices, let's give it a cap 10 pixels. What if we give it a full size? Gonna be okay. What if we do it as a price? And here, all price. Yes. For price, let's give also style. Let's give flex. Style should column. Cap between them. And cap is okay. So here, let's style it here. Okay. Text correction as line through. So actually, we're having down our CSS. We have only these buttons. Let's give a style for buttons. So we should take main div as a copy. We're giving flex. Center. Let's give it top axis. And let's style it. Correct. Let's give flex. Center. Let's touch. I think for this button, let's then first let's write there its style here. Then guess if we style it like this, we won't be able to change it there. So let's remove it width a little bit. More beautiful. Center. Center. We already have it. Center. Yes. Then let's do padding pixels over here. Too much, I think. No. Here we should change this card's width by 10 pixels. Or is it gonna be too high? Yeah. Let's change this 20. No. 15. And let's give it a cap between word and the image. And here we have, let's change it as a 9. Here border none. Color. What kind of color? Border radius, I think 10 pixels or 7 pixels. Font weight, let's do as border. Sorry for annoying sounds, but don't pay attention for it, because our main goal is to finish our project. So, here. We have one card here. So let's do it in that div, in div header. Let's give a class as a card name. Here we have a shot, so there's B, where we have here artist. Then we have HR, then we have got a div that call, what we should call. Let's call card content. In card content we have got padding. So card padding, let's style card padding. Actually, this one is active. So this is reflection column, line, center. Then let's give background color as white, border, let's just copy from here. Border radius, then shadow. Let's delete this one. Let's give a width as a 1 pixels. Okay, let's do it. Then let's do padding, 20 pixels. Why did that work? Is it correct or what? So there's active line and full part. Then let's give it a display line. Also here is the position as is. Right, pixels, top pixels, and forward all positions. Also let's take a look for a burger. Here we have pixels as a menu. On a mobile version, with here not the display long, not the active. We have display flex, display version column. Let's do it here. Right here, it should stay left and top 0 and it should be 0. Let's get class as a border. Header, border action. Then let's take a look at the border. Here in this box, we don't have a border, so we should give it display long. But here, we should give it display long in media size. So if we are yes, as you can see here, we have a border. I think we should delete this one. Let's do it as a screen. So this one is going to be for JavaScript. It was the first part, so let's next take a look at the second part. See you there.
So hello everyone again. Welcome to our second video. It's continuing part for JavaScript part. So let's continue with the script. Here we should do the document selected. First, let's take a look at the border. While we are clicking to this file, to do this function, like document place selected, not B, class is toggle. Let's do it as a. So actually here we have it. Where are they? Position, sort. This one. What is this? Next. Right here we have a function. Right. With this. Yeah. Padding, let's give it a 13. And let's give a padding top as a pixels. Also, let's get some. Yes, it looks like more right here. Let's give it as a pixels. So here we are already finished. Only border. Let's start document pre-selected. Then now we're gonna work with this part, like whole card. By pressing to this button image, actually, it calls what? Card calls. Card, as you can listen, click, function, document pre-selected, and we are making this card visible, because actually it is visible, and we are making all classes that includes this div visible. Yes, it works very good. Let's keep it a little bit. No, I think it's enough. So, over this video here, we should pay attention then to these buttons. First, let's do the photos. Here, if we want to change the photos present by these photos, we are calling a function that called onClick. But we are giving change. So here, let's give images. Let's just call. Here we are calling a function that called change images. This here we're adding just. So here, as you can see, it's changing. Let's explain it. Here, by pressing in this button, we are calling a function that called change images. And here in Java, we're calling this function. Then we are adding a photo. Then here, as you can see, that by pressing on these photos, the main photo is changing. So because of it, we took only main photo, and this main photo should change by pressing that many photos. So it explains the function explains this one. So let's take a look at the buttons. We have minus, plus, and apart. Let's take a look here. First things first. Where are our buttons? So here. Let's do it. Let's do it as a number. Change number. Document by selector. As then let's give just a number is equal to 0. At the beginning, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna take a number as a 0. So let's document. let's just take the plus. Definitely select our plus. Advent listen as a click. If you are hearing like kind of strange sounds, so pay attention please, because they're standing some strange people and saying speaking too loud. Okay, what we should do? Here, by pressing to this, the number should add. It means change, not image, change number. Text content is equal to number. If number is more than 0, we are giving like a condition. If number is bigger than 0, then number should remove like 1. It means that change number, text content is equal to number.
So here the mistake was that I've typed twice the letter B with B. So because of it, the code wasn't working. So here, as it can be clearly seen, the code is working until 0. Because we have typed that if number is more than 0, just a minus until 0. Here is typing. So here, let's take a look at if we press to that button. Let's do it like this. Here we should connect this plus or minus type with this card, and we should VST them to this card. How we are going to do it? We are going to do it like, let's take a look. So by pressing to this card, we are writing not event listener, click function, then let's do this one, this big diffs, and in big this one div card, we should take inner div. How like in this div, we should take this div card content, post card content. Here, let's like remove all things in this card content inner channel, and then let's give condition if number is equal to 0. Write card content inner HTML as your card is empty. Wait, your card is empty. By pressing here, if we are removing it, here we have notification, like a notification that we have nothing in our card. But if we have got it, like there is nothing, so we should give a condition as else. If else, write let's write first price is 125, total is price multiplied to number. Then it hasn't finished. Let's do like card content HTML is equal to B. As it is only one product, the boots is only written, so boots. Let's first count the number. Gonna work? Yes, it works. Right. And let's give a style for it. Content we have file as remove. Let's style it first. So here our class called remove, and here let's add so remove advent listener, click function, then that's what it is. Yeah, actually it works. This one. So here our function actually works. Actually we've already finished, but let's take a look to the mobile screen. The mobile screen should be like to the column. Here. So here we've already finished our project. Now let's do a padding tab for main right, I think. Let's check again our project. The first function is by pressing it, images should change. As you can see, it changes. It changed very good. Here then, by clicking to plus, the number should add. By clicking minus, it should remove 1. If our number here, our sample of this project, our amount of this project is 0, our code is should show that our code is empty. But if we are pressing, it should like count how many times we've pressed on it and overall total price, how much the price of this this one. And remove button. There, all of the buttons working very good. Let's take a look at the mobile screen. We have got here some problem. Press header, yes. If we are doing like this, our project is already finished. So thank you for your attention and goodbye.